Around 2 weeks ago, Al Jazeera came out with a documentary that made stunning revelations about Guo Huaping, alias Alice Guo. The revelations were stunning and pertinent to the subject of this investigation. Kung inyo pong maalala, nailutang na natin ang posibilidad na ang dati nating kilalang si Mayor Alice Guo ng Bamban Tarlac ay nagtatrabaho para sa interes ng dayuhang bansa. Kung spy man o informant o ahente ay hindi natin ito noon nakumpirma. When the Al Jazeera documentary came out, hindi pwedeng hindi natin ito ungkatin ng mas malalim. Over the past week, my staff persistently followed leads and sought access to those who could shed light on this issue of great consequence to our national security. Sinikap naming makausap si Shi Zhejiang through our Philippine Embassy in Thailand. Ngunit for diplomatic reasons ay hindi ito napaunlakan. So Attorney Tago, sinabi nyo na, no, na DFA can request access to Shi from the Thai government, sabi nyo nga sa ilalim ng Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty. Hindi naman natin extradite dito eh. Ang hinihingi lang natin ay makausap siya ng ating mga otoridad, kayo din sa executive. And I just want to make this of record, dear colleagues. The reason this is important to me is this. I have persuasive information that the file of at least one young brother is with Shi, conforming that young brother as a foreign agent. Kaya napaka-importante po makapag-establish ng communication kay Shi sa pamamagitan ng Thai government sa ilalim niyang Mutual Assistance Treaty dahil mukhang yung buong gobyerno natin, hindi lang kami sa legislature, kayo po sa executive, may makukuhang importanteng impormasyon para sa proteksyon ng ating gobyerno laban sa ganitong mga foreign covert operations.